एवरीवन, वेलकम टू मोतीलाल ओसवाल डिस्कवर। आइए बात करते हैं आज चोलामंडलम इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड फाइनेंस के बारे में। चोलामंडलम इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड फाइनेंस ओ करता है ability to play different credit cycles better than its peers. We particularly like that within vehicle finance as ये बहुत tactically turn करता है underweight या overweight in different product segments जो help करता है to deliver industry leading growth and the most benign credit costs. Cholamandalam Investment and Finance का disbursements in the second quarter propped up हुआ by strong disbursements in the LAP, that is loans against property segment. However, one also needs to understand कि LAP franchisee strengthen हुआ है significantly in the last 2 years. Disbursements including LAP and home loans में performance has been superior versus the peers, while collection efficiency, that is CE, consistently 100% plus रही है for the past few months. मैक्रो इंडिकेटर्स भी इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग रिकवरी। द कंपनी वेरी स्ट्रैटेजिकली प्रोडक्ट मिक्स पे काम करता रहता है टू एंश्योर हेल्दी ब्लेंडेड यील्ड्स। कंपनी ने इफेक्टिवली डेट कैपिटल मार्केट्स को लीवरेज किया है फॉर इट्स इंक्रीमेंटल बोरोइंग्स इन द लास्ट ईयर। हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं that yields will be largely stable and any minor yield pressure, approximately 10 BP, to be mitigated by commensurate decline in blended cost of borrowing. CIFC काफ़ी conservative है in guiding investors over the next phase of its evolution. It's currently doing various pilots to understand the different product or customer segments जो expand करेगा its presence over the next 5 years. ये एम करता है टू हैव अ प्रेजेंस इन द व्हीकल, SME एंड कंज्यूमर फाइनेंस इकोसिस्टम्स। कुछ इन्वेस्टर्स बिलीव करते हैं कि CIFC इज नॉट डूइंग इनफ ऑन द टेक्नोलॉजिकल और डिजिटल फ्रंट, लेकिन हम बिलीव कर रहे हैं दैट इट इज ऑलरेडी डूइंग पायलट्स and would divulge further information when it is appropriately convinced about entering any new product segments. Cholamandalam Investment and Finance's stressed pool stage 2 plus stage 3 loans increase हुआ है around 8.7 pp to 18.8% over the last 2 quarters, vis-a-vis an approximate 11% increase in 30 plus DPD loans for MMFs over the same period. CIFC's के total provision buffer ECL EAD is at 4.1% and ये increase हुआ है by approximately 50 BP in the first half of financial year 2022, up 225 BP since the pandemic outbreak. While the loan book did exhibit stress with the advent of the second COVID wave, CIFC ने manage किया है to rein in some of the asset quality deterioration in the second quarter of the financial year 2022. CIFC ने पोस्ट किया है a 20% AUM CAGR over the financial year 2016 to 2021, while उसका normalized ROA adjusted for one-off COVID provisions improve किया है to approximately 2.6% in the financial year 2022 from approximately 2.0% in the financial year 2015. CIFC well diversified है across product segments as well as geographies. वो peers से faster grow करता रहेगा over the medium term in our opinion. इनके asset quality performance और consequent credit cost significantly better रहेंगे versus their peers. With ROE of approximately 19% over the medium term, इनके return ratios among the best हैं. ये company well capitalized है with a CRAR of 19.6% and would not need any equity growth capital over the near term. हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं CIFC to deliver industry leading growth in the loan book, CAGR of 13% over financial year 2022 to 2024 coupled with its strong asset quality, credit cost of approximately 1% over the financial year 2023 to 2024 and consequently healthy ROE of approximately 19%. हम बिलीव करते हैं कि CIFC कंटिन्यू करेंगे टू कमांड प्रीमियम वैल्यूएशंस relative to its listed peers in vehicle finance. We maintain a buy rating with a target price of rupees 700.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.